question. Limit x tends to is 2 plus. Okay, we have a question. Limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means 2.1, 2.2, because it's RHL, right? RHL means from the right, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, like that. So here we can take it as, it is substitute a value now. So is equal to 2, like 2.1. If you take the greatest integer function for 2.1, you get 2 cube 8, right? So 8 by 3 minus 2, right, which is substitute 2 by 3, 2.3 is 0.67. So 0.67, if you take greater integer function, then you will get 0, right? 0.67. so 0, then 0 cube 0, right, is equal to 8 by 3. So that's the answer. So now let's move on to the next question. Okay, so that marker was not working properly, as you saw. Now we are in the next problem. Limit x tends to 8 root over 1 plus root over 1 plus x minus 2 by x minus 8. So this problem, first let's rationalize. If you rationalize in this problem, limit x tends to 8, you get 1 plus root 1 plus x minus 4 by x minus 8 into root over 1 plus root over 1 plus x plus 2. Now this will become 3, right? We can just write this as minus 3. Now we rationalize again. Limit x tends to 8, 1 plus x minus 3 into 1 plus x plus 3 by minus 8 root over 1 plus root over plus x plus 2 into root over 1 plus x plus 3. So we rationalized it again. Now what we can take it as? We can take it as limit x tends to 8. This one we can take as 1 plus x minus 9, right, by, so we can just write it as minus 8, right? If you write as minus 8, x minus 8 here, right, it cancel, then remaining we write as it is, 1 plus x plus 2 into root over 1 plus x plus 3. So next we will just write this as, we will just substitute the values. So is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus 3, right? 1 plus 8, 9, root 9, 3 plus 2. Next into what we'll get. Oh, this it won't come. Okay. This won't come under root, still here. Plus 2, which is 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Into, we can write 8, that means 3 plus 3, 6. That means 2 into 6, what? 2 into 6 is, no, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 into 6, yeah. 1 by 4 into 6, which is 1 by 24. So this is the answer. Hope this helps you. Thank you. Bye. And now we'll continue to the next question. Okay, so this is the next question. So here they given limit x tends to infinity 1 by 1 to 2, 1 by 2 to 3 plus and so on, 1 by n to n plus 1. So asking, we can write as equal to limit x tends to infinity. You can write 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, right? Is 1 by 6, right? You can just write like this: 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus and so on, plus 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. These two cancel, like this everything will cancel, right? And then this as well. So you get limit x tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n into, actually this question you have to change n into n plus 1. So this question you have to actually change, not n, it's not x, it's n. N tends to infinity. So it's a question mistake. Let's put n, okay? And then we know 1 by infinity is 0, so our answer will be 1, right? 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So we'll go to the next question now. Okay, so the next question, limit. So they would have given x tends to infinity, just change it as n tends to infinity. So now we go on to question 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. What do you know this as? What's the formula? Sum of n natural numbers. It is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? Minus n into, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 n square, or just write it n plus 1 minus n into n plus 2 by 2 into n plus 2, okay, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity n square minus n square cancel, n minus 2n minus n by 2n, you take common, 1 plus 2 by n. These two cancel, which is equal to, substitute 1 plus something by n is infinity is 0, 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? We have minus on top, so minus 1 by 2. So that's the answer for this question. Now we go on to the next question. So next question, limit. So they have actually okay, limit n into 1 cube plus 2 cube and so on. We just use a formula. Down also we used a formula, so just take limit n tends to infinity n into n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, right? 2 square is 4. This whole square by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into, not into 5, 6 whole cube. So now we'll take it as limit n tends to infinity n into n power 4 n plus 1 whole power 4 by 16 by n cube n plus cube 2n plus 1 whole cube by 6 and 36. 36 into 6, 216. 16. So now 16, how you can do 8, 108, 4, 54, 2, 27. Now power 5 it. Limit n into infinity n power 5 to n plus 1 whole power 5 by 2, let's into 27, let's put 20, 2 into n cube n plus 1 cube 1 plus 1 whole cube. Now this one square and now our next step, limit to infinity and not 5 anymore, 27 n square plus 1 whole square by, you take n common, we get 2n, 2 into 2, 4, so we get 4n. Now we can cancel n here. So now I guess we can try substituting. Oh, n is still here, right? We have to remove this n. We're supposed to remove that one. Oh yeah, here we get n, right? N cube will get outside. Yeah, n cube outside. Yeah. So n cube. So cancel this n. And then limit on this n square. So have you realized what we have done here? So instead over here, we did a mistake. We just erased this fully because we actually we were multiplying n inside, so this will become you can write n cube, right? It will become 6, so we'll cancel n cube, and this is just one time. No, not one time, it will be 4 times, right? Yeah, 4 times. So this one cancel. Now which is equal to n cube we cancelled, right? Yeah. So limit n tends to infinity 27 n cube, we take n common. Okay, so if we take n common, let's get n. So n power 4 by 2, like n power 4 into 1 plus 1 by n whole power 4, right? Yes, 4, 2 into n common, n plus 1 by, no, not 1, it's 2 plus 1 by n whole cube. These two cancel. No, it's the cube, right? Cube, and then this cancel. N into k, get 4 by 4, like, and we did another mistake. If you look back over here, we'll get n power 5. I mean, this will be 5. Cancel this. 2. Here I'll just cancel the whole thing outright. So you get like just take out 1 by n, 2 cube 8, which is 27. This is 0 by 27 by 2 into 2 cube 8 into 8, which is equal to 27 by 16. So that's the answer. Now we proceed to the last question and we'll end this. Okay, next question. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus and so on plus n to n plus 1 by 2 by n cube is equal to limit n tends to infinity sigma n into n plus 1 by 2 by n cube. Now we can take 1 by 2 common. Limit into infinity n square plus n by n cube, which is equal to what we got this. Now after this we can after this we can separate that by 2 limit n tends to infinity sigma n square plus sigma n by n cube. So now we will get, substituting 1 by 2 into limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 2 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 by n cube. Now take it separately. Take it as equal to 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity. You take n into this n into n cube and then say 1 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n by n cube or 6n cube plus 1 by 2 limit n tends to infinity. You take n square 1 plus 1 by n and by 2n cube. This cancel. Now we can substitute n value. So we substitute n value, get 1 by 2 into n cube, where n cube here cancelled. 1 plus 0, 1 into 2. It means we just take this 12 and then 1 to 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 0 by 2 into 0, right? 1 by n cube. So this is going to get like 0 means 1 by 6. So that is the answer to the question, and that's the questions for today. Please like and subscribe for more content. Bye.